In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a median cap and complete the parking setup. Go to Mesh Accounts Plan and click on the plus sign to add a new slot. Name it median. Now scroll down and click on the plus sign to add a new mesh PP field. And in the mesh slot, search for median and select a median mesh. We want it to be added to the line of the grid. So we come to the system type and choose grid parking. Now we have it spawning here. If you want it to spawn to the edge parking too, then you select buff parking and it will appear for both of them. But we want to use another complete different mesh for the edge, so we set it to grid parking. Now we need to add some cap in, so we come to props at plant point and name it median cap. Set the system type to grid parking and scroll down to mesh field and search for median cap and set it here. Now we got our median mesh spawn. The next thing to do is to set some road lamp and come to props along span and click on the plus sign to add a new slot. Got it. Road parking road lamp and set the system type to grid parking and scroll down to mesh field and add a road lamp here. Now change the post spacing to 500. I guess we are using the wrong mesh. Let's use this one. Now we need to add some Z offset. We are good to go. Now that we set up the grid one, we have to set up the one for the edge. Now for the edge line, we want to add another type of mesh. Go to cross along span manager and click on the plus sign to add edge parking block and set this system type to edge parking. Come to mesh fields and use this mesh here. We need to have the post spacing to 500. I mean 200 and add a bit of scale. So we scale it on the x-axis only. Set it to 1.5 and 1.5. I think 2 may be a good choice. Okay. Still the props along span manager, click on the plus sign to add a new slot and call it parking line. Set the system type to buff parking and scroll down to mesh field and use SM white line. Set the post spacing to 200 and the offset on the x-axis to y-axis to minus, and I think we need to rotate it by a 90 degree. The post spacing to, I think, 300. Now we need to scale it a bit, so come to min and max transform and check first uniform scale. Set this one to 0.3. 0.3 and this one to 0.5. So we are good to go. Now set this remove mesh from start and end to 0. So we have both here. Now let's add it to the other side. So click on the plus sign to add a new slot and copy the last one and paste it to the new one and expand it and come to the prop offset and set it to this value. Now we get our parking line showing. But notice that we don't want it to spawn for the edge spline, so we come to and set it to grid parking only, so it will spawn for the grid parking but not for the edge spline. If you want, you can offset the vehicle mesh if you want.